Understanding how each SKU or keeping unit performs in Google Ads is essential for optimizing your marketing budget and improving results. Tracking SKU performance helps you identify which products drive clicks, conversions, and revenue so you can focus on what truly works. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your browser and going to ads.google.com. Click Sign in at the top right corner and enter your Google account details. Once you're in your account, you'll land on the Google Ads dashboard, where you can view and manage all your campaigns. Next, click on the Campaigns tab in the left-hand menu. Here, you can see all your active and paused campaigns. To analyze SKU performance, look at the top of your campaign table and click Columns. This allows you to customize which performance metrics appear in your data view. Select Modify Columns and scroll through the list until you find options related to products, shopping, or item ID, SKU. Add metrics such as clicks per SKU, conversions by SKU, cost per SKU, and impressions per SKU. These columns give you a clear, product-level overview of how each SKU performs within your campaigns. Once selected, click Apply to update your table. You can take this a step further by creating a custom report in the Report section. Choose Shopping or Item ID as your dimension to get deeper insights into product performance across campaigns. This report allows you to filter and compare SKU data easily, highlighting top-performing and underperforming items. To get even more accurate insights, apply filters such as device type, location, or audience segment. This helps you understand how specific SKUs perform across different environments and customer types. For instance, some products might perform better on mobile, while others do better in specific regions. Also, analyze your conversion rate and return on ad spend, ROAS, for each SKU. These metrics reveal which products are delivering the highest value relative to cost. You can then adjust your budget by allocating more to top-performing SKUs while testing improvements on lower performers. To get the most value, compare performance over different time ranges using the date filter. This helps reveal seasonal patterns or trends that can guide future strategy. If certain SKUs aren't performing well, consider adjusting bids, refining ad copy, or improving product images. Meanwhile, high-performing SKUs deserve more budget and focus to boost conversions and revenue. By reviewing SKU-level data regularly, you'll make smarter, data-driven decisions that improve campaign efficiency and ROI. And that's how you measure SKU performance in Google Ads. With a clear view of how each product performs, you'll be able to fine-tune your campaigns, spend wisely, and drive better business results. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.